Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Don't scream. So, welcome to Honey Foundation International School. So, this is computer science subject, and we were in the previous class we did how to change the spelling and grammar, the feature of spelling and grammar in MS Word. Today, in this class, we will learn changing the cases. So, do you know what is the cases in MS Word? Do you know what is this uppercase and lowercase? What is this uppercase and lowercase? Uppercase means what?
The letter are changed into
Yes, uppercase. No, uppercase is nothing but
it is changing.
big alphabetical letters. That is like this: A, B, C, D. Okay, then what about the lowercase?
All letters.
Small letters.
Small letters are alphabetic.
Small a, small b, small c, small d. Okay? So uppercase means capital letters. Big letters or capital letters. And this lowercase means small letters. Okay? Then in MS Word we have sentence case. See the change case. Microsoft Word 2007 allows us to change the case of alphabets in the typed text of a document. It offers 5 choices for changing text case. So how many choices we have? 5. So the first one is sentence case. MS Word will capitalize the first letter of the first word in every sentence in the selected text, just as we do while writing sentence. See, for example, see, my name is Kirti. Okay? For example, here I will write small letter my. So I will type my and then I will go to type name. So after immediately when I type my and if I give space, this small m will immediately change to capital letter M. Yes, no? You all know, right? When we start a sentence, the first letter of the first word should be capital letter. You know, right? Have you seen in the mobile phone also it will immediately change? Yes, this is the same way that does with sentence case. Okay? Next, see lowercase. All letters are changed to lowercase. For example, if you want to convert this everything into lowercase, you will convert into lowercase. That is, everything will be in the small letters. Okay? Then uppercase. All letters are changed to uppercase. Uppercase means what? This complete sentence will be in the capital letters. Okay, we can change that also. Then see, capitalize each word. The first letter of each word in the selected text is capitalized, as is normally done while typing the title of a chapter or document. So what is that capitalize each word? See, for example, it will change like this. The first letter of each word will be in capital letter. So this is done by capitalize each word. Okay, capital means what? Capital letters. Okay. Then toggle case. What is this toggle case? MS Word reverses the cases of each letter in the selected text. All uppercase letters are changed to lowercase and all lower cases ones to uppercase. So what is that? For example, see. So it is in all in uppercase, right? So in this, by using this toggle case, when you completely select this and of the toggle case, this I am a teacher will be converted into small letters, lowercase. Okay? So uppercase will be converted into lowercase and lowercase into uppercase. Okay? So these are the function of all the 5 choices. Okay? Then next page, see the page number 66. We will see how to steps to change the text case. Step 1. Select the text you want to modify. Okay? So I will select this text. My name is Kirti. Okay? Step 2. Click the change case command in the front group on the home tab. In the page number 65, see the figure 7.6. Everyone observe figure 7.6 carefully. Can you see there? Like this it is there box. which is in yellow color?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you observe that?
Yes, ma'am.
So when you click on that, can you see that a dialog box has appeared? In the dialog box, can you see sentence case, lower case, upper case, capitalize each word and toggle case. So as I told the function of all the cases, if you select any one case in that, this complete sentence will be changed to particular case which you have selected. Okay? So this is all about changing the cases. Okay students? So by this topic we have completed this chapter, and please now please open page number 67. We will go through the question answers. Yes, give me the book. Okay. Yes, see the multiple choice questions. For the A answer, for the A question, the answer is option D, and for the B option, the answer is option B, and for the C question, the answer is option B. Next page, fill in the blanks. Dash list is created when you make use of the numbering option. Number list. Then B, the extension. Who is that making noise? The extension of a saved file in this MS Word is docs. Everything should be in small letter. Okay, next C. The dash button allows you to change the case of an existing block to text.
Change case.
CHANGE. Change case. Okay. Next, true or false. You can create a numbered list using the bullets button in the paragraph group. False. For B, formatting means making changes in a document. False. The bullets option is situated in the view tab. False. Okay. Please do the match the following you only yourself. Then see the very short answer question. Which option in this BA, which option in the spelling and grammar dialog box changes the word throughout the document? Change option. B. Which part of the word screen displays the page number, document, view buttons and zoom control? It is insert tab. It is insert tab actually, not insert top. Okay, then 6A. What do you mean by formatting? Formatting means making a document attractive and presentable. Once I will repeat. Formatting means making a document attractive and presentable. Next B. Name all the options present in the change case drop down list. Sentence case, lower case, upper case, capitalize each word and toggle case. So these are the options we have in change case drop down list. Okay. Next 7th one. What is the importance of bullets and numbering? Bullets and numbering list help to simplify steps or items to readers. It is used to highlight important pieces of text. Okay. So what is the importance of bullets and numbering? Bullets, see I will write out now that more. Bullets and numbering helps to simplify steps or items to readers. It is used to highlight important pieces of
Text.
text. Okay. So please copy this answer for 7th question. Okay. So the 8th question is your homework. So please do it and send it in the